Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of budget art supplies to see what can we create with a just of 15 rupees sketch pens. Can we create some decent image from that? So let's find out. First we take an image from Google and draw an rough sketch of that image. Let first we create a rough sketch of that image and then outline the sketch with any black pen or a marker. Now take an plastic sheet, brushes, sketch pens and a cup of water to use sketch pens as an watercolors. So first apply a light blue color shade and then a dark blue color shade. Wow, look at that. You can definitely achieve a watercolor effect with these budget sketch pens. Now let's we try them directly as in sketch pens. First we draw the simple or similar process again and then use sketch pens directly. Using sketch pens on a large surface area is tricky and time consuming process as well. Whereas watercolor effect can create it much easier. These 15 rupees sketch pens are not professional art supplies but surprisingly they are versatile for their price. Thanks for watching.